Kick it!
Okay folks, let's get started. You need a small flat screwdriver, torx driver size 30, 10mm wrench, tire lever or something, 5mm drill, and a pop rivet tool. Alright, grab that little screwdriver, flathead. You're gonna find a small cover which is over the screw, just like that. Get a torx drive, size 30. Just unscrew that one. Small black screw with round head. Another cover, round cover this time. Same size screw. Unscrew it. Different color. Yeah, gray, stainless steel, right there. Next thing, underneath here, use your 10mm wrench. Screw it sideways 90 degrees. Lefty or right, doesn't really matter, it's a plastic thing. And then use a lot of force to get the door panel out. Start underneath and go to the left, not to the right, which I did there. So then again, go to the left on top, and when you come towards the end, near the lock, you have to push it sideways, to the left in this case. There it goes. Alright. Okay, so now it's totally loose, but there's two more things. If you see here, it's a power cable to the window lift, and there is a wire to the door handle. The one to the window lift is quite easy. You can take it off with your bare hands. The wire that goes to the door handle is a bit more tricky. This one out there, and now you can see I used a flat screwdriver to take it out nicely. It's a little tricky, but off it goes. Yep. Over to the other side. Okay. 5mm drill. The head of the old nail comes out quite easy. As your sharp eye might have seen already, this is the other side of the car, but it works the same. Power cable into the sound speaker.
Drive. Hele 20 000 elbileiere besøker våre bilverksteder i året. Vi kan elbil.
NRK P3, kick it!
Hvor beskjeden er, vi må sette inn støtet på minst 2 Spellemannpriser neste år.
Alright.
Kari?
It works. Let's mount it.
This is the pop rivet tool. Nails that fits. Kind of satisfying when it pops. Time to get the side door panel back on place. You have a green contact there and a blue one and a bigger black one. You put the smallest black plug into the green contact housing, and you have a blue plug that goes into the blue contact, and the biggest black plug goes into the biggest black contact housing. The driver's side panel has one more plug, but it makes sense when you're there having it in your hands. Then you have the wire from the door handle. Put the white plastic thing in the housing, and then you have to drag the wire with that little metal plug or whatever you can call it. You're gonna take it a little sideways, kind of hard to show here, but it makes sense when it's in your hands. It's not that hard, and then you have the whole thing soon back in place. Start with the little movement to the left there. Knock, knock, knocking on driver's door. Last thing, 10mm wrench again, down underneath there. Alright, back on the torx business. And yeah, well, blah blah blah. To be honest, you can quit this video right now. But if you want to watch me put this cover back on place, take this another screw, which is a torx screw, put it back on place, screw. The last little piece of cover goes on right there. And wait for it. Oh, ooh la la. Looks nice, right? Looks quite premium, expensive, ultra nice.